Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are experiencing popping and crackling while streaming, I've got a fix for you, but it might not be a fix that you want to do. So, if you are using GeForce Experience while live streaming, and your live stream is hearing like random hissing and crackling and stuff like that, and you don't want to hear it in there, well, it's not actually your computer, it's actually GeForce Experience itself. It's the program, there's something wrong with it. I'm not too sure what it is. There is a fix, but it requires you to download a program that is not GeForce Experience. Okay, so the program that I use is OBS, which I'll open now. So this is the program that I use, and I'll show you how to set it up and get it all up and working for yourselves. It works basically as good as GeForce Experience. It may slow your computer down by 1 or 2 FPS while gaming. So here we go. So here we want to make sure that desktop capture is off, because when it's on it will override this one. Right, so we want to add game capture. Okay, I'm not adding another game capture 2 in there. So once you go game capture, so plus up to game capture, and then you make the source visible, you can turn it off and on. Okay, I use capture specific window. Whatever game you are in should pop up here in the window that you want to capture. So my last game that I played was Battlefield 2042 with it. Anyway, it doesn't matter. So now I'll show you how to set up so your channel will stream straight to your channel every time, because even in Nvidia Broadcaster you get the problem with having to relog into your YouTube channel or back into your Twitch channel or whatever channel you're using, which is really annoying. And in OBS I haven't had that problem, which is really great. So I'll start by showing you the stream, because general doesn't really matter what you do in general. Nothing's really going to change anything. So in stream, first of all, you want to add your YouTube service, your Twitch service, or your Facebook Live, whatever you want to use, Twitter, Restream. Restream is actually really good. So Restream you upload it as one stream to one thing, and then Restream can stream it out to either Twitter or YouTube at the same time, which is pretty cool without taking more demand off your thing. So obviously I use YouTube, so it's already set up to YouTube for me. But yeah, you just want to make sure when you're doing it, connect it to your account that you want to do. Otherwise it won't work. Now, output streaming. Of course, we're talking about streaming here, we're not talking about recording, because I haven't had any hissing and popping recording problems with Nvidia Broadcaster before, or GeForce Experience, whatever you want to call it. So under streaming here, you can still use the Nvidia NVENC encoder. For AMD, obviously you get an AMD encoder, but I'm guessing you got Nvidia because you wouldn't be here otherwise finding out how to fix your problem. Now VBR is variable bitrate. I leave variable bitrate on. I can do up to 30 megabits a second, and YouTube does like 18 megabits a second, like maximum sort of thing, but it will allow you to occasionally go over that. Now CBR is constant bitrate, and if you just leave it at that, you can do that as well if you want. This is the way I get the better quality out of it anyway. So now slowest obviously is best quality. If your computer can handle it, great. If your computer can't handle it, you might need to lower the quality of your stream, which might make it look a little bit worse, but you know. Okay, obviously look ahead and psycho visual tuning are good to have on. Under audio here, do not change your audio too much. So you can go to 48. If you can go all the way down to 98 or 92 or whatever kilohertz, or even 146 or whatever it goes to, I wouldn't recommend changing it above 48. Otherwise you're going to get audio errors and stuff like that on YouTube. Now YouTube doesn't go past stereo, so going to 7.1 or 5.1, you'll be trying to upload a higher bitrate video, and you know YouTube's just going to turn it back to stereo anyway. so there's no point in changing that. Obviously you want to have your microphone set up. I have it as broadcast because I don't want to hear background noises and stuff like that in my videos. Now for this you can set it to 720p, so you'll capture at 720p, and for YouTube you can output it at 1080p as a fake 1080p if you record at 720, which will make your computer work less hard and give you okay-ish video quality if you want to do 720p, but the best quality is native to native, the same size. Obviously 60 FPS is a lot smoother than 30. Debatable for some people, but we won't get into that issue. We won't talk about that at the moment. So process priority, obviously if you leave it on normal, that's fine. If you want it to put it up to high, it might make your games lag more because this program will be using more stuff, and if you put it down to idle, this program will be not doing hard work in the background while you're gaming, and may even upload a laggy video or a shittier quality video because whatever. So if you leave it on normal, it should be fine. If you put it on above normal, it should be slightly even better, but I just leave it on normal. Okay, so I think that's about it for OBS. Once you've done all your settings, you just go to manage broadcast, or you can click start streaming, which will bring you to manage broadcast anyway. You type in your title of your video, name it whatever the hell you want it to be on YouTube or Twitch. Write your description below, which will be underneath your video on YouTube or Twitch or whatever channel you use, Facebook even. Privacy, obviously public is public, unlisted is private, like private is. If you don't want to stream to everyone, you can do it unlisted or private. Your category, if you like filming your cats and dogs, you can put pets and animals on there, or whatever you want to put on there. I like to use gaming, so I'm going to leave it on gaming. Is this video made for kids? It can be if you want to be. As soon as you click this as well, it will come up down the bottom saying that you can start streaming. Now it's up to you if you want to do educational videos for kids or whatever, you can do that. Now the thumbnail is pretty cool. You click select file, it will come up, and then you just add a picture to your thumbnail. That will come up on YouTube or Twitch as well. And your latencies down here is for how long of a delay you want your video to be to your stream. So if you want it to be 30 seconds behind, that's normal. About 30-second delay is normal. Low, I think, is probably 20-second delay, and ultra low can be 5 to 10-second delay from gameplay to your stream. Okay, and once you click create broadcast and start streaming, it will come up with another window here saying it's about to stream. Make sure this screen has something in it, otherwise it will be streaming a black screen. I could open up a game to show you how to make it capture, which I think I'll just quickly do. So let's open up Sea of Thieves, for example. When it opens up, Alt Tab. Maybe if I change it like this. Oh. Okay, it's open now. And there it is, Sea of Thieves. And now it's in the picture, like that. Now if you make this too small, it's gonna, so this resizing thing, if you drag it into the corner, it's only gonna appear in the corner of the YouTube video, so you wanna make it full screen like that. But yeah, this is OBS, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it fixes your problem. Hopefully you can run OBS while playing games. Some people cannot because it creates too much lag. Other than that, I don't really have a fix for it. Hopefully you guys enjoy the stream, and I'll see you next time.
Hello guys, it's BattyMate here. If you have any questions, leave us a comment. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up. If you hated it, give us a thumbs down. And subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.